balik lagi bersama kami Dilla featuring Moexin. Hari ini kami bakalan bawa I Will Survive. Enjoy. At first I was afraid, I was petrified. Keep thinking I could never live without you by my side. But I just spent so many nights thinking how you did me wrong. I got this wrong, and I got laid out alone. So you paid for my space. I just walked in to find you here, but that's how look upon your face. I should have changed that stupid look. I should have made me okay. I was just so in love for a second. You made me bother me, go now. Welcome to the just turn around now, 'cause you're not welcome anymore. Were you the one who tried to hurt me with goodbye? Did you take a crumble? Did you take a lay down and die? Oh no, I will survive. Oh, as long as none holds alive, I know I'll stay alive. I got all my life to live, and I got all my life to give. I will survive, and I will survive. Hey. You took out the train and how I fall apart. Keep trying hard to mend the pieces of my broken heart. And I spent oh so many nights just feeling sorry for myself. I used to cry, but now I hold my head up and you see me, somebody new. I'm not the champion, I'm the little person loving you. And so feel dropping in, just pick me. You know it's heaven, over, leave it wrong. 'Cause on the labor and I go, no, go. Welcome to dark, just turn around now, 'cause you're not welcome anymore. Were you the one who tried to break me with goodbye? Do you take a crumble? Do you take a lay down and die? Oh no, I will survive. Oh, as long as none holds alive, I know I'll stay alive. I got all my life to live, and I got all my life to give. I will survive, I will survive. Yeah. Just turn around now, 'cause you're not welcome anymore. Were you the one who tried to break me with goodbye? Do you take a crumble? Do you take a lay down and die? Oh no, I will survive. and I got all my life to live. I will survive, I will survive, babe. Walk on the door, just turn around now, 'cause you're not welcome anymore. Were you the one who tried to break me with goodbye? Did you go crumble? Did you go lay down and die? Oh no, I will survive. Oh, as long as I'm how to live, I know I'll stay alive. I got all my life to live, and I got all my life to live. I will survive, I will survive, I will survive. Hai teman-teman, jangan lupa subscribe YouTube channel Moexin Official featuring Dilla. Dan buat teman-teman jangan lupa like, komen, dan share supaya kita tambah semangat buat videonya dan makin ngehibur teman-teman semua. Dadah!